Hello guys! Ako ulit. Okay. So, hello po sa inyo. Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay araw ng Sabado. Walang pasok. Yung iba. Mostly walang pasok kasi weekend. Yan. So, happy weekend po sa inyo. And special greetings to a friend na isang tawag ko lang or chat pupunta dito sa amin kapag kailangan. Hello, Sarah! Hello, Sarah! And to your family, sa iyong anak. Hello! Sana nag-enjoy po kayo na makinig or manood sa aking mga live or sa aking mga songs. Yan. Ako po ay tubong Batangas. Yan. Ako po ay taga Batangas City. Sa mga bagong viewers or sa mga ibang viewers na hindi nakakaalam. So ako po ay from Batangas. Yan. Hello po sa mga taga Batangas at hello po sa mga nanonood po sa akin. Nagla-like, nagko-comment, nag-share or nagre-react po sa aking mga songs. Yan. Sana po ay nakaka-relate kayo. Sana po ay nare-relax po kayo sa aking mga songs or sa aking mga kinakanta. Yan. Okay. So, kakanta po ulit ako ngayon. And yung song na to, and mostly, yung kinakanta kong songs ngayon ay mellow music. Mga relaxing music. So, sana magustuhan niyo po. So, this song is Somewhere Down the Road.
Covers PH.
It's just another way to say you're you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Thank you. Okay. Hi, Romar. You are watching. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello, Romar. Thanks for watching. Okay. So, kakanta po ulit ako ng isa pang song. Dahil Sabado ngayon, gusto kong kumanta pa. Yan. Okay, so itong song na to ay from
And welcome back to this US Open Office Plan.
from MYMP, from Juries. Okay.
Miller just lobbed a message way over Jones's head using some.
Okay, this song is from MYMP. Sana po magustuhan niyo. I hear you taking the time again, having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're on your own now, and I'm alone and free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life lived without you could never be right. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I try to smile so my hurt won't show, to tell everybody I was glad to see you go, and the tears just won't go away. Loneliness